So hey everyone, welcome back to new another video. So this video going to be very interesting, and this video I'm going to say you not particular any particular topic, and this video just say you, and this video I'm just making randomly and speaking and lot of and speaking or practicing. Okay, so as you know, my name is Nathan. I am belong to West Bengal. Okay, so today's Tuesday and 9 June, okay, 226. Okay, so I'm just make these videos randomly, i'm I'm make these videos randomly. And as you can see, this is a evening times. A lot of, as you can see behind, like a natural is so beautiful and so like is very Amazons. Oh my god, as you can see behind me, as you can see. Also, do you know the village life also is a very necessary, and like is a, oh, like is a very Amazons and very fantastic, as you can see. So so just I'm just say you, so randomly I'm just making this video for growing our lot of and our growth in our skill and confidence. If you not make any videos, you cannot grow your confidence, you cannot achieve anything. Okay, so when I go any place, so first of all I try to make sentence, and I try to growing, and I try to make new sentence for explain this what I see around me. So for example, as you can see, now I'm a student in the small grounds, not is a ground, is a land. Okay, as you can see behind me, the the bricks and stones behind me. And also, as you can see behind, a lots of tree of the different types. Okay, so and this place is very wonderful. As you can see behind me is a big lands, you can see behind. Okay, this our local area is, as you can see. So I like to make videos every local place. When I go any place, I started make videos, and I started and speak with confidently. Okay, and also I started, and when I go any place, I open my mouth and I started what I see, and I started make videos, new videos. Okay, so if you improve your English journey, so don't wait on the best day. If you not to practicing, so your face definitely see in the nervous feelings. Okay, as you can see. So always try to, and practicing is always try to make videos and sentence, make sentence. If you improving your English really, so practicing a lot and believe in ourselves and continue our life journey. Okay, so this is my practicings when I practicing randomly. Okay, if you wanted to achieve, if you wanted to um, if you wanted to speak with fluently. Okay, so you try make any videos randomly, like you started from your morning days, like I'm wake up the early mornings, and I'm eat rice, I'm go to school. Also, you have make you must be create any randomly videos in English podcast. And if you more than necessary, like a listening music in English, podcast in English, also anything you have to create in English. Okay, definitely you can speak with confidently. Okay, so thank you so much for watching my videos, and see you the next video. Okay.